Are you looking for a perfect profile photo that makes you look professional, makes you stand out of the crowd, or maybe even like a celebrity? Well, go out and pay a professional photographer a ton lot of money, or wait here and turn your okayish image into a very good image. Head to Canva and take a happy photo of yours, as every photo should be. Remove its background using this feature or these websites. Give it a glow shadow. Decrease its blur. Set transparency to max and set the thickness to your will. Turning the image black and white by dropping the saturation to a minimum. And to complete it, add any background color you want. You may even use textures or glow from behind. It's your playground. Play with it. Now, feel free to change all of your profile photos at once. Or, hell, maybe put it up in your resume. No one can stop you. Thank you. Like or dislike the video to your liking and have a wonderful day.